Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage cottage style farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage cottage style farmhouse decor is a cozy, nostalgic decorating style that blends farmhouse charm, cottage coziness, and vintage character. It creates a warm, lived-in atmosphere that feels both homely and timeless. The goal is to create a comfortable, welcoming home that feels storied as if each piece has history and has been passed down for generations. Essence of the style, vintage cottage farmhouse decor is all about blending old world charm with everyday comfort. Unlike modern farmhouse, which leans a bit cleaner and more minimal, the vintage cottage version feels softer, warmer, and more nostalgic, like stepping into a cozy countryside home that has grown beautiful with time. It brings together three influences. First, vintage, treasured antiques, flower market finds, own finishes, and character pieces. Cottage, softness, floral prints, romantic details, and cozy pictures. Farmhouse, rustic oud, natural elements, and simple practicality. Furniture style, farmhouse tables with chunky wooden legs or distressed finishes. Mix and match chairs, painted wicker or ruffled thread. Iron or wooden beds with quilts and layered bedding. Old trunks or wooden chests used as coffee tables. Cupboard hatches and sideboards filled with vintage dishware. Colors and patterns, main palettes. Whites, creams, light gray, and soft beige. Accent shades, faded blues, shell green, battery yellows, and blush pinks. Patterns, gingham, checking stripes, florals, tile, and patchwork. This palette makes rooms look airy, fresh, and romantic, while still grounded in farmhouse simplicity. Textures and materials, fabrics, linen, cotton, lace, crochet, and muslin, oud, usually oak, pine, or reclaimed barn oud. Metal accents, oud iron, galvanized steel, or enamel iron. Ceramics and glass, use vintage pitchers, milk glass, and messengers. Decorative touches, floral arrangements, use fresh roses, wildflowers, lavender bundles, or dried flowers in enamel jugs. Lighting, candelabras, lantern-style lights, and soft lamps glow instead of harsh lighting. Wall art, use botanical prints, vintage mirrors, rustic sign, or old photographs. Handmade touches, use crochet dowels, patchwork quilts, hand-painted ceramics. Kitchen and dining. The kitchen is often the heart of this style. Open shelves with vintage crockery, teacups or jars. Use apron front farmhouse sinks. Wooden countertops or vodka blocks. A large rustic dining table with mismatched chairs and a floral tablecloth. Living room and bedroom. Living room is slip-covered sofas, layered rugs, wicker baskets, cozy throws, old books on shelves. Bedroom, use iron bed frames, ruffled bedding, floral quilts, and soft curtains. The flutter in the breeze. The magic of vintage cottage farmhouse decor is that it never feels like it was bought all at once. It feels collected, inherited, and lovingly pieced together. It is practical, charming, and heartwarming. The soul of the style, vintage cottage farmhouse decor is not just about furniture or colors. It is about creating a lifestyle atmosphere that feels simple, natural, and nostalgic. Imagine an old country farmhouse where every item has a story. A rocking chair passed down from a grandmother, a cupboard full of mismatched china, and sunlight falling through lace curtains onto a hand-opened rug. It is the opposite of sleek and modern. Instead, it embraces imperfections, slowing love for old and old, faded fabrics and time-worn treasures. Core elements of the style, architecture and surfaces use exposed beams, shiplap, bedboard, or whitewashed walls. White plank wooden floors sometimes painted in soft colors. Use stone fireplaces with simple mantles decorated with window spines. Farmhouse porches with wicker chairs or swing benches. Furniture and layout, functional yet charming. Furniture should feel useful and cozy, not just decorative. Collected, not massed. A painted dresser with a rustic table, a wicker chair, beside an upholstered sofa. Farmhouse classics. Long wooden tables, sideboards, or biceps. Cottage coziness. Use small reading nooks, rocking chairs, and floral armchairs. Textiles and fabrics. Use handmade quilts, patchwork blankets, and embroidered cushions. Line pre-silk curtains like linens, lace, or cotton. Use ruffled bedding, gingham tablecloths, and layered rugs. Knitted or crocheted pieces that bring a handmade feel. Decor and accessories. Kitchenware as decor, like enamel teapot, mason jars, vintage platters displayed on open shelves. Antique details. Use old clocks, oil lamps, old books, and wooden platters. Farmhouse stories. Galvanized buckets, wicker baskets, and ceramic crowns. Floral touches. Both fresh and dried flowers in jugs, pitchers, and glass bottles. Atmosphere and lifestyle increases solo living, enjoying tea at a rustic table, reading by candlelight, or gardening. Focus on handcrafted and meaningful items rather than mass product decor. A balance of function and beauty. Every item looks good but also serves a purpose. Why people love it? Timelessness. It never feels outdated because vintage pieces always carry charm. Comfort, cozy layers, soft lighting, and welcoming spaces. Sustainability uses reclaimed wood, drifted finds, and repurposed antiques. Personalization. Every home looks unique since pieces are collected over time. Vintage Cottage Farmhouse Decor is romantic yet rustic, charming yet practical, and always warm and inviting. It is not about perfection, it is about character and heart. The philosophy behind it. Vintage Cottage Farmhouse Decor is more than a design style. It is about living with history, comfort, and simplicity, unlike modern decor that often focuses on clean lines and trends. This style celebrates the beauty of imperfection, like chipped paint, old and time-worn fabrics. It is about creating a home that feels like it has been loved and lived in for generations, a place that invites you to slow down, sitting, and enjoy life's small comforts. Key layers that build the look, vintage influence, antique furniture, hatches, sideboards, or old dresser with original knobs. Collectibles use enamel art, milk glass, porcelain features, and mason jars. Time-worn finishes use distressed paint, crackled surfaces, faded upholstery. Cottage comfort, romantic fabrics use lace curtains, floral sleep covers, patchwork quilts. MC mix of patterns like gingham, tile, small floral prints. Cozy corners, reading nooks with pillows, armchairs by a sunny window. Farmhouse practicality: sturdy wooden table for family meals, open shelving for everyday crockery, stories with character like wicker baskets, wooden cradles, and vintage cupboards. Natural touches: stone fireplaces, wood floors, and handmade rugs. The heart of the style. Vintage Cottage Farmhouse Decor is not just a look, it is an emotional experience. It feels like a home filled with stories and history, where every tip, teacup, or weather dresser has meaning. A gentle blend of rustic and romantic, where rough farmhouse textures meet soft cottage charm. A place where life is slower, simpler, and more connected to nature. It balances practical farmhouse roots with whimsical cottage coziness and the soul of vintage treasures. Why it is timeless, adaptable, it works in cottages, farmhouses, suburban homes, event apartments, personal. No two homes look alike since pictures are collected over time. Comfort driven. Everything is chosen to make life cozy and welcoming. Grounded in tradition connects us to a slower, more mindful way of living. You can think of Vintage Cottage Farmhouse Decor as a home that feels like a storybook setting where every detail tells you. This is a place to rest, gather, and feel at home. Furniture tips: mix old and new. Pair a rustic farmhouse table with floral slip-covered chairs. Choose ordered finishes. Look for chippy paint, distressed wood, or lightly faded fabrics. Keep it functional. Farmhouse furniture was always practical, with trunks as coffee tables or ladders as blanket holders. Go for curves and charm. Choose dressers, arches, and chairs with soft, rounded edges rather than sleek modern lines. Decor and styling tips: display collections. When display this, teacups or mason jars look beautiful with grouped together. Use everyday items as decor, like rolling pins, enamel jugs, baskets of fruits, or vintage cookbooks. Bring in fresh or dried flowers, wildflowers in pictures or dried lavender in vases. Hang textiles, quads, lace, runner, or embroidered cloths can decorate walls, shelves, or tables. Lifestyle and atmosphere tips: create cozy corners. Add a reading nook with a wicker chair, lamp, and crochet drawer. Light with warmth. Use candles, lanterns, and soft lamps instead of harsh overhead lighting. Keep it imperfect. Let pieces look aged, don't over-polish or hide flaws. Shoot it seasonally: pumpkins and plates in autumn, fresh florals in spring, cozy old blankets in winter. Add handmade touches: russet towels, patchwork pillows, or thrifted crafts add authenticity. The trick is to make your home feel like it has been thoughtfully collected over time, not bought all at once. Every piece should tell a little story. Historical roots: farmhouse origins. The style started in rural homes where practicality was key. Sturdy wooden tables, functional storage, and simple, durable furniture. Cottage influence: European cottages, especially English and French, added soft, romantic elements like floral fabrics, lace curtains, and cozy nooks. Vintage layers: over time, items aged, developed patina, and gained character, giving the style its signature nostalgic charm. This combination creates a style that is both functional and story-rich, blending practicality with warmth and personality. Design philosophy: imperfect is perfect. Chipped paint or that old faded fabrics and mismatched chairs all add authenticity. Layer textures: mixing soft textiles like quilts, lace cushions with hard surfaces like old iron or stone create this visual depth. Collected over time, the style trims on heirlooms, flower market finds, and handcrafted pieces that tell a story. Balance of elements: rustic farm touches are softened with cottage charm, rough beams versus delicate fabrics, studded tables versus floral cushions. Decor and accessories: kitchen use mason jars, enamel pictures, wooden utensils, open shelving with vintage crockery. Living areas use layered rugs, baskets, books, vintage lamps, and decorative trays. Bedroom use floral coils, lace curtains, embroidered pillows, layered bedding. Emotional impact: Vintage Cottage Farmhouse Decor creates a home that feels warm and welcoming. Spaces invite you to sit, relax, and linger. Timeless and nostalgic: every piece has a story or patina that adds history. Cozy and layered: the mix of textures, colors, and objects makes rooms feel intimate. Organic and natural: connection to nature through old plants and seasonal touches. This style is not about perfection, it is about creating a home with soul, where every corner tells a story and every object feels meaningful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.